Pleasant morning to all of you. Welcome back to English class. I hope you all are doing good and also you all completed the assignments and study portion that I have given in the last class. So today I'm going to give notes for poem 1. Okay. Before that, in the last class I shared about our country, shared some info about our country with you. So today I just want to continue. I want to give some more information. Okay. So the national song of our country is Vande Mataram, and the national anthem is Janagana Mana. Okay, our country is the seventh largest country in the world, and the motto of our country is Satyamava Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs. Okay, truth alone triumphs. The president of our country is Ramnath Kovind. The vice president is Venkaiah Naidu, and the Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. Okay, just keep those things in your mind. So that's all for today. And now I want all of you to take your English note. If you are ready, let's get started. All of you take a fresh page and start writing. Okay, take a fresh page and start writing. So first of all, you have to write today's date 26 8 2021. The next line, write poem 1, POEM, poem 1. And the next line, write the title of the poem. The title of the poem is What is Pink? WHAT. What is Pink? PINK. Have you all completed? So you have to write the title as well. Sorry, poem 1 as well the title. Okay. In the next line, you can put Roman number 1. Come on, in the margin, I want you to put Roman number 1. So the first Roman is synonyms. SYNONYMS. First Roman is synonyms, which means meanings. Okay. Now in the next line, put number 1. Brink. 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 Meaning edge. EDGE. Brink meaning edge. Number 2. Fountain. FOUNTAIN. Fountain meaning stream. 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 Number 3. Pears. PEAR. Write on pear. Pear, type of fruit. TYPE. Type. OF of FRUIT. Pear, type of fruit. Okay. Number 4. Mellow. MELLOW. Mellow meaning pleasant. PLEASANT. Mellow meaning pleasant. Number 5. Twilight. 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 Twilight meaning half light. Okay. HALF. Half hyphen light. LIGHT. Half light. Okay. Twilight meaning half light. Have you all completed synonyms? So now put Roman number 2. If you want, you can leave one line and then write Roman number 2. So in poem, we have only synonyms and answer the following. Okay. In note, you have only synonyms and answer the following. We don't have antonyms, verb form and frame sentence. Okay. So Roman number 2, answer the following. ANSWE or answer. THE the. FOLLOWING. Answer the following. Now in the next line, put number 1. So question number 1. Write down all the colors mentioned in the poem. WRITE. Write down all the colors. COLOURS. Colors mentioned. MENTIONED. Mentioned in the poem. POEM. Question mark. Write down all the colors mentioned in the poem. Now come to the next line. Let's write the answers. The colors mentioned in the poem are the colors mentioned in the poem are pink, 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 comma, red, 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 comma, blue, 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 comma, white, 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 comma, yellow, 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 green, 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 violet, 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 and orange, ORANGE, orange. Full stop. So we learned about 8 colors in this poem. Okay, the colors mentioned in the poem are pink, red, blue, white, yellow, green, violet, and orange. Now come to the next question. If you want, leave online and write the second question. How many colors? HOW. How? MANY. Many. Sorry. MANY. Many colors do you find in the rainbow? RAINBOW. How many colors do you find in the rainbow? Question mark. Come to the next line. So how many colors do you find in the poem? We found 8 colors. But how many colors are there in rainbow? 7 colors. Okay. Come on, write down. We found FOUND. We found 7 colors. SEVEN. 7. COLOURS. Colors in the rainbow. RAINBOW. Full stop. We found 7 colors in the rainbow. Now come to next question. Question number 3. Last question. Okay. Which are the rainbow colors? WHICH. Which are the rainbow colors? COLOURS. Question mark. So come on, write down the rainbow colors. Rainbow colors are RAINBOW. Rainbow colors are violet, 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 comma, indigo, 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 comma, blue, 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 comma, green, 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 comma, yellow, 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 comma, orange, 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 and red, RED, red. Full stop. Rainbow colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, so that's all. Now come to Roman number 3. Memory poem. MEMORY. Memory. POEM. Memory poem. Number 1. So it starts from what is pink? What is pink?
and it ends at question mark. What is pink? Question mark. And it ends at sailing in the light. SAILING, sailing in the light. LIGHT, light. Okay, so this is your memory poem. You have to learn the first 8 lines. Okay, what is pink? It starts from what is pink and it ends at sailing in the light. If you want, you can write down in the bracket. It is in page number 31, comma, first 8 lines. Okay. Okay, it is in page number 31, first 8 lines. Already I have given this as your study portion. I hope you all thorough that. Now come to the assignment part. Roman number 4. Assignment. 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 Number 1. Cursive writing. CURSIVE. Cursive. WRITING. Cursive writing. Page number 10. Cursive writing, page number 10. You all completed this. Now come to number 2. Draw a rainbow. DRAW. Draw a rainbow. 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 It is in page number 33. Okay. Page number 33. So that's all. Have you all completed? I want all of you to write neatly. Okay. So if you all completed, come on, now take the synonyms. I want to give a reading practice. Are you ready? Listen very carefully. Let me give a reading practice. So poem 1, the title is What is Pink? Roman number 1, synonyms. Brink meaning edge. Brink meaning edge. Fountain meaning stream. Fountain meaning stream. Pear meaning type of fruit. Pear meaning type of fruit. Mellow meaning pleasant. Mellow meaning pleasant. Twilight meaning half light. Twilight meaning half light. Now come to answer the following. Write down all the colors mentioned in the poem. Write down all the colors mentioned in the poem. The colors mentioned in the poem are pink, red, blue, white, yellow, green, violet, and orange. The colors mentioned in the poem are pink, red, blue, white, yellow, green, violet, and orange. Question number 2. How many colors do you find in the rainbow? How many colors do you find in the rainbow? We found 7 colors in the rainbow. We found 7 colors in the rainbow. Number 3. Which are the rainbow colors? Which are the rainbow colors? Rainbow colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Rainbow colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, so that's all. So your study portion is Roman number 1 and 2, which means synonyms and answer the following. And your assignment is you have to draw a rainbow. It is in page number 33. Okay, in your book, the one table is there. Inside that you can draw a rainbow. Okay, so that's all for today. Until we meet again, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.